Epic ES-S100D is a subtype door lock that boasts a compact design with essential authentication means for security functions. Upon purchase, the components of the product consist of the outer body, inner body, strike, screw, battery, user manual, and trace form. When installing the product, you will need a drill, 32 holes, 4mm drill blade, screwdriver. According to the structure of the door, use the trace form to mark the location of the holes. Drill a hole in the marked position and drill with 32mm holes. Pull the outer body cable into the inner body plate and secure with a screw. Adjust the inner body and shackle width. After checking the temperature of the product, it is fixed with screws. Plug the front cable into place and secure the inner body with the screws. Install the battery. Prepare the striker to be attached to the door frame and fix it lightly according to the height of the inner body deadbolt. Test it and fix it if there is nothing wrong. Touch the default registration number 1234* and finish the operation test.